Hello, YouTube. I'm the Consider888. Welcome back to my weird world. Today's going to be the last video of the year. It's a little later than I intended, but I'm going to taste test Green Dragon sugar-free. Low calorie. How low are we talking? 10 calories. 30 milligrams of sodium, which is 1% of your daily value. A lot of zeros. Potassium, 406 milligrams, which is 8%. Niacin, 30 milligrams, which is 190% of your daily value. And that's not the lowest one, not even the highest one. The highest is B6, 7.3 milligrams at 430% of your daily value. Then comes B12, 7.1 micrograms, which is still high, 300% of your daily value. And last but not least, our friend pantothenic acid, 4.4 milligrams, 90% of your daily value. Okay. I don't even know what necessarily what flavor this is. Could be some form of berry, could be friggin' peach, I don't know. I think I had a Green Dragon like a decade and a half ago when I was in high school. It is indeed greenish. Slancha. Oh, it's Red Bull. Okay. That was disappointing. It's just basically Red Bull. I'm not a big Red Bull fan, so this gets a 5 out of 10. And my siblings have already tried it, and they weren't impressed either. So 5s all around the board. Well, I gotta finish this. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in late January at the earliest. Probably around like the 25th at earliest. Because holiday time is family time. Today is the start of the holiday season. I know that some there's 14 major holidays in December among various religions, obviously. There's Hanukkah. Boxing Day is technically a holiday too. Christmas. Kwanzaa. And a lot of others I can't pronounce. Yule. That's my brother's birthday is actually Yule. But yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all in the new year. And I hope everyone has a great December. And actually, I might make a New Year's video. I'm not going to be drinking. Not alcoholic or anything. Excuse me. But that'll be the earliest you'll hear from me as New Year's. Thanks for watching. And enjoy your time. Bye.